Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In this video, we're talking about how to manifest anything in 3 simple steps. Manifesting is the process of bringing something into your life through the power of your thoughts and beliefs. There are many ways to manifest precisely what you desire, and this channel discusses multiple strategies for doing so. But today, we'll break it down into 3 simple steps. Through this process, you will see just how powerful your thoughts and beliefs are in manifesting what you want. After all, the life of attraction tells us that what we think about, we bring about. This idea is based on the belief that our thoughts and feelings have a vibrational frequency and that we can attract experiences and outcomes that match that frequency. Remember that the key to attracting what we want in life is to focus on our thoughts and feelings, on what we desire rather than on what we don't want. Ready to get started? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to become a manifestation magnet. The first step is deciding what you want. You need to be clear and specific about what you want to manifest. Think about every detail about what you want to manifest and the feelings associated with it. For example, let's say you want to manifest your dream car. Think about the make and model of the vehicle you want to manifest. Decide the color, trim, and special features you want your car to have. Now think about how having your dream car would make you feel. Would you feel accomplished, powerful, or free? Keep all of this in mind and be as specific as possible when deciding what you want to manifest. The second step is to write it down. There are several reasons why writing down your desire is crucial. First, we want to bring our thoughts into our 3D reality. How amazing that we can take a dream that existed in our minds and now exists physically. Writing your dream down on paper is a physical reminder that this vision isn't just a dream. It is something that you are putting your vibrational energy toward and have a serious desire to bring into existence. You can choose what you want to do with your paper. Try a few different methods and see which works best for you. For example, some people prefer to place it under the pillow at night and move it in the morning. This allows you to connect with your desire regularly and reminds you to take action toward your goal. You can also place this paper in a space where you will see it regularly. This may encourage you to periodically check in and align yourself with the vibrational frequency needed to attract your desire. Others choose to burn the paper with their goal written on it. Again, this helps to feel the vibrational frequency when writing it down. Then let it go and leave the rest to the universe. And this brings us to step number 3. The third step is to let it come to you. The universe likes balance. We're not operating within that balance when we chase, crave, or obsess over the timeline. Overworking and taking action in desperation will only push your desires away from you. Remember, you're becoming a magnet for your desires. We're not trying to push things away. This requires us to trust the universe. Know that the law of attraction is always working, whether we're conscious of it or not. We obsess over what we want. It's coming from a place of lack. So if we think, I can't wait any longer for my dream car, it's improvising that we do not have that dream car. While it's perfectly natural to feel frustrated and want to rush the process, there are a few ways to stay aligned, balanced, and positive to speed up the process. First, let's be mindful of your input. Ensure you're watching channels like this that keep your vibrational energy high. Another tip is to repeat positive affirmations and sayings that assume you already have what you desire. Something like, I know my dream car is making its way toward me, and I'm excited to receive it. Finally, take small daily actions that tell the universe that you're serious about receiving your desires. For example, if it's the dream car you want, you can clear out space in the garage and watch videos of others driving your dream vehicle. Manifesting what you desire is simple enough. Focus on your vibrational energy and remember that the universe will do the heavy lifting. Let us know in the comments what you'll manifest with these 3 simple steps. We're excited to see how you use the power of your mind to change your life. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.